Gratitude greetings. Welcome to Masters of Transformation. Masters of Transformation is a beautiful initiative by Gitika and Sunny. We love spotlighting the real masters. Today's master is a functional nutritionist, a menopause coach, author of The Soulful Menopause. Yes, she is helping women over 40 plus thrive in menopause, from weight loss to energy to hormone balance. She's helped 1,000 plus women. Please put your hands together with a big smile, and you can clap too, which we cannot see. Still clap. She's Aparna Karanjkar. Welcome, Aparna ji.
Thank you.
What is the secret of your smile?
uh, every day is a very beautiful day, and I'm blessed to have alive, like on this earth. So that makes me smile.
स्कूल में कोई नहीं बोलता क्या बनना है बेटा, मेनोपॉज कोच बनना है. So what was that moment that changed everything for you and you decided, yes, मुझे महिलाओं की मदद करनी है 40 plus?
Basically, it was my own suffering. When I entered my 40s, I started seeing, a lot of symptoms like hot flashes, brain fog. Like I used to enter a room, but I don't know why I have like been there. So, I used to struggle to remember also what I have to find there. Also, a little bit of joint pain started suddenly. Though I am a nutritionist, I was following a healthy lifestyle, proper healthy workouts and all I was doing, but I was not knowing that these symptoms could be happening because of hormonal imbalance. That side I completely neglected. So I took a lot of painkillers, lot of wrong supplements, you can say, given by my gynecologist. Okay, and still it was not helping. Even I visited a neurologist also. Okay, because I had started having depression kind of, and that time I was working in a hospital. So you can imagine the long hours of shifts and everything was putting a toll on me. Then I thought, no, something is wrong with me. So I started digging deep. I read few books also about 40s woman and all. And then I realized कि I am entering a perimenopausal stage, which I am not aware of. कि इतनी जल्दी आ जाएगा ये मेरे life में. So I started working on my hormones basically, did little bit of changes again in my nutrition, find some deficiencies like vitamin D was deficient, and started with other supplements like magnesium, omega 3, shatavari basically to balance my hormones. And it really gave me a good effect. It didn't happen overnight. Okay, I will not, just say it happened overnight. It took at least 1.5 years to make it out everything on its path, and my joints started moving clearly. Now this year on the yoga day I did 108 surya namaskar in just 25 minutes. That was my own record. I don't know who has done it, but that was my own record. And so that is how I thought, I have to bring this awareness to the other women, because whenever I was speaking to other women, अरे भाई तुमको पता है क्या मेनोपॉज में क्या होता है, they are like it's usual. My mom was like, बेटा ये सबको होता है, मुझे भी हुआ था, तेरी नानी को दादी को सबको हुआ है, it's normal, तू क्यों इतना हल्ला मचा रही है. But I was like, no, it's not normal. If I now know everything, I should spread this awareness to every woman. लाइक हम जैसे कि हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं मेनार्स, जैसे हम एंटर के पीरियड्स मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल जैसे हम एंटर करते हैं, छोटे होते हैं तभी, तो हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, देयर इज स्मॉल पूजा इन आवर हिंदू रिलीजन, राइट. बट वी डोंट सेलिब्रेट मेनोपॉज. We in fact start hating our own body, that it is giving me trouble. And that phase, that stage I am not liking. That you should not hate your body, never. You should love your body, right? So for that loving thing you have to work upon that also. You cannot just take it for granted कि my body will just run on its own. No, you have to change the path, change the lifestyle, and then only you can see the miracle. So that is how this journey started. I started speaking to females around my society, my circle, got good feedbacks about this, and they were really happy to have somebody as a backup plan, maybe you can say, who is guiding them, who is supporting them with all the required things. And that is how we
Big
started.
blessing,
Yeah.
beautiful blessing, divine blessing. Very, very nice. और 108 सूर्य नमस्कार in 25 minutes लोग 1 घंटे में भी नहीं कर पाते, और
Yes.
108 नहीं कर पाते वैसे भी.
It took me almost 2 years of practice.
No, it's really, really a miracle. एंड जैसे ही आपने वो दवाइयों के नाम बोले, मैं भी अपना रिकलेक्ट कर रहा था, हाँ यार मैं भी खा रहा हूँ कुछ कुछ, तो बॉयज को भी खाना पड़ता है. थैंक यू सो मच. नाउ क्विक, शॉर्ट, क्विक 3 lines में आंसर. 3 happiest moments.
The happiest moments is first one was when my son was born. That was the most happiest moment of my life. Second one was when I met Blair Singer recently, and third
Wow.
one is yet to come. I'm waiting for it.
Okay, what would you like to design as? बोल देते हैं यूनिवर्स को आज. वैसे तो आपने बोला
Yes,
होगा, आज
I
खुला
want
खुला.
I want to be a renowned menopause coach in India. That is my dream.
नहीं, इंडिया छोटा हो गया अभी, क्योंकि आप इस रूम में बैठे हो, मास्टर्स ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. तो कितनी कंट्रीज बोल दो आप. थोड़ा
You say
गल्फ में
worldwide.
एक्सपेंड कर लेंगे. हाँ, वर्ल्ड वाइड कर लेते हैं ना. थैंक यू.
Yes.
ओवर टू गीतिका फॉर wiser, intelligent questions.
Yes. Thank you, Aparna ji, and welcome to Masters of Transformation. So my first question to you would be that, you know, that what is the one thing that you want that people should know about the self-care, self-growth, and healing journey as well? Because you also got aware later in your stage when you start facing challenges, but people take some things for granted. So what is the one thing you would like to share with all the people irrespective of age?
Like first, the important thing is just follow whatever your roots are. Don't just go behind like whatever social media is telling you or what suited the other person that will suit me. No, it will not suit you because everybody has different body, different prakriti and all. So just follow your roots, whatever you are eating, whatever you are doing from your childhood, that is your basics, and that will suit your body always. So you don't have to actually run behind all those expensive, treatments or supplements or gyms or exercise. I never did all these things. Still, I am healthy now.
Yes, that's very crucial point, that follow the basics.
Yes, follow
So
the basics.
thank you so much for sharing this powerful message. And what does the success mean to you after so much experience, after interacting with a lot of trainers, even learning from international trainers? So what does now success mean to you, and what do you want to achieve in the next years?
Success means, like for me, it is basically a freedom. Maybe it is a financial freedom, which gives you again an emotional freedom that, I have something of my own, which I can use it anytime. I don't have to ask anybody for that. Like I don't have to have permission of anybody, right? So that is there, and it's like one kind of a satisfaction. If you are successful, you get that satisfaction that I am doing something.
Yes, personal satisfaction and fulfillment.
Yes, fulfillment.
Thank you for sharing. And by listening to your journey, I also felt, even the Surya Namaskar thing that you have shared, that you have been patient and consistent throughout your
Yes.
journey. Uh, and
Yes.
and hopeful about the outcome or the desired outcome that you want to achieve. So what is the secret of that inner motivation and consistency that you follow, all through the process, as you said, 2 years? Because most of the times what happens is, in starting we are enthusiastic, motivational, But over the time, that motivation fades away. We don't feel inspired even to wake up and, think about our body and health. So, what is the inner motivation and the secret of your consistency?
I'll give this to my husband basically, because he is very patient and very calm, and he always like tells. I am basically very impatient, if you see my nature. Okay, but I have learned this quality from my husband. So he always tells me, be patient, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Because I was like, नहीं मुझे 108 सूर्य नमस्कार करने ही है. But he is like, don't pressurize your body. It's your body. It will take time. And then slowly it started happening. First, it took almost 1 hour 70 minutes. Then 1 hour 50 minutes. Like that, it went on and on. And he used to record that. Huh? Literally, he used to sit there and record how much time I'm taking to do it completely.
Yes, absolutely. Support from right kind of people
Yes.
is actually a gift or a blessing in our life. So, what is the one message that you want to share with the audience who is listening to you right now, the YouTube family that is listening to you right now? What is the one message that you want to share with all the people?
Yes. See, menopause is a crucial phase for every woman, and every woman is going to go from this. Like, nobody can escape it. But if you talk to your loved ones, if you bring awareness in your family about what is happening inside your body, they know about it, then they will definitely support you. So you have to bring this awareness in yourself also, and your society also, your family also, your kids, your husband, everything. They should know about it, then only they can support it. Otherwise they will also feel irritated, and you will also be feeling irritated. So
Yes,
bring
yes.
that awareness everywhere, and then only you can thrive through this journey in a smoother manner. Otherwise it's difficult.
Yes, and I completely agree with this point to you over Aparna, because there are some topics that are considered to be, I would say,
Not to be
taboo to talk
spoken.
about, or people
Yes.
are not so much comfortable. And
Yes.
asking and receiving help is also one of the key traits that we women must inculcate within
Yes.
ourselves. Thank you for pointing that out. And yes, thank you so much for your wonderful insights and sharings. Over to Sunny ji.
मेरे मन में सिर्फ सूर्य नमस्कार घूम रहा है. सबके पति ऐसी टाइम नोट करें. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so grateful to you and your support system. In this case, your husband, super inspiring. So yes, we'll play one word answers. Life in one word.
Life is happy.
Health in one word.
If I can say one word, being fit.
Love in one word.
uh, Calmness.
Success in one word.
Freedom.
Aparna in one word.
Happy.
Yes, you are truly happy from within, and we wish you the best in all your
Thank you.
noble future selfless endeavors and the worldwide movement. Yes.
Thank you so much, Sunny. Thank you, Gitika.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Take care. See you in the next episode.